Greetings, everyone. Today, inshallah, we'll be planting our corn. We get full sun in this area. It's a little tree. There's a tree right there, but the sun hasn't risen all the way where it used to be early. But today, inshallah, we'll be planting our corn. So stick around with us, and I'll till over this a little bit more. I tilled over it the other day, but it looks like I have to till over again. So stick with us and come plant some corn with us. So we just tilled over it a little bit more just to soften the soil, put a little fertilizer, and we will be adding some hay in between the stalks. Now, you should plant corn about 30 inches apart, just to have some room and so you won't fight for the sunlight. And so we will be adding some hay in between just to cut down on the weeds. So now with our little rake, we just put like I'm not going to put the corn on mounds. We just put like a little crevice, and I'll be putting some hay in between. So alhamdulillah, we have our first row ready, and you see the space in between. I'll be planting another row right here, and it should be enough for about 2 rows, but we have plenty of corn inshallah. But this is the first row, and the hay is there to try to keep the weeds down as much as we can for as long as we can. Remember, corn requires full sun, and of course, like I said, it's really early. The sun is trying to get there, and so I will be planting our corn now. We have white corn, and those produce plentiful of nice, sweet, delicious corn, inshallah. Now here we have our corn spaced about 30 inches apart, a foot apart in between this row. The next row we're going right here, and we have our first row right here, and show you a little closer how they're spaced apart. That's the perfect spacing you want for corn, because you don't want them to steal each other's sunlight, because corn require a lot of sunlight. And as you can see, the sun came all the way up, so we have a full set of sun in this area for about the whole entire day. So that's where you want to plant your corn, in full sun. They love sun. Okay, now we have our 3 rows of corn done, alhamdulillah. And we have our hay down to cut down some of the weed growth, because weeds love this little area, and we don't use any pesticides because we do all organic gardening. So we're hoping they'll cut it down, but periodically we will come in here and pick the weeds as much as we can until they start growing really big and you can't really get in between. But this is our 3 rows of corn, alhamdulillah. And inshallah, we will be planting in between here because we have our high tunnel, some cucumber so they can climb up, inshallah. But with that being said, we'll leave you with some updates of the growth of our other parts of our garden, inshallah. Any questions on growing corn tips, please leave us a comment. Here is the growth, alhamdulillah rabbil alameen, of the corn in, this is week 1. Like we said before, this area gets plenty of sun, alhamdulillah. As we can see, you all see that we have some of our bagged tomatoes and potatoes all throughout these areas. But this is the corn so far. Here is our cucumbers. Please subscribe and we'll keep you all updated on our corn, potatoes, tomatoes, and all other ones. Excuse the chickens, they're kind of loud in the background. Good day, everyone. Today we are going to be harvesting to sell some of our greens that are ready to harvest at our farmers market. So let's get ready to harvest some. First we got our mustards from here. Take the leaves off. Show you how much mustard greens when I'm finished out of this one bag. Alright, we picked our mustard greens and got a whole crate full. Just gonna clean out this bed a little bit. So it looks now. Now I'm going to be harvesting some of our butter crunch lettuce. Get that. So we're picking it. I'm going to do this whole basket and I'll show you how much we have after. Alright, so we harvested our butter crunch. We harvested our butter crunch lettuce and our mustard greens. And this is what we have so far. And now I'm going to do some kale. Alright, did our kale, lettuce, and mustard greens. Let's do some more lettuce. Now we are going to be doing some bok choy and then some carrots. Go ahead and harvest all this stuff. Inshallah. Harvest. I'm going to harvest some onions and some green onions. Let's get these onions. I harvested the onions, and here they are. And we have the bottoms to harvest.